Hello everyone, this is a new collection of cool things that make you awesome, that's I promise you. And now I'll show you one very interesting trick. Take a smartphone from someone and so show the viewer an ordinary scarf, then put one end of the scarf on the phone screen and then the magic begins. We pull it out on the other side of the phone. This trick will definitely amaze your friends, but the secret of this trick and how to repeat it will be revealed at the end of the video. This is a magic thermos. If you put boiling water there and shake the thermos for 1 minute, then the water will cool to 55 degrees. But if you put cold water into it and also shake it, it will heat up to 55 degrees too. And so many know, this temperature is optimal for drinking water. It is very convenient for those who don't like to drink boiling water. This is a copy of the Dominator from the anime series Psychopaths. Have you ever heard about this? In the series, the gun reads the so-called criminal coefficient and can only shoot at the person who poses a potential danger to the owner and society. And the model of this gun has only backlight and perfectly simulates to the process of transition to combat readiness. The toy is instantly similar to the original. This is a T-shirt of augmented reality. You put it on and point the phone's camera to admire the anatomical features of our body. You can look at the skeleton or organs from different angles. You can zoom in, zoom out, look from above, from below. How do you like it? It is a miniature flying robot. It is equipped with 4 wings, allowing it to fly over fairly long distances. Its mass is only 259 milligrams. Its height is about 5 centimeters and its wingspan is 3.5 centimeters. It is powered by a solar battery and is charged from ordinary sunlight. The idea is ingenious. Sometimes thoughts come in. How do people come up with this? If you need to land on a leaf of a tree, then there is no problem, while ordinary quadrupeds will be too heavy for this. And yes, looks like this is the first bee in the world to not sting. This gadget is put on the palm of your hand and becomes almost invisible, helping to neutralize an attacker with a built-in spray can of cheap pepper gas in any danger or dazzle him with a bright light. When you press the source button, the device sends GPS coordinates to selected contacts on your mobile phone. And if there is no smartphone, then a signal sent directly to 911 rescue services. Now the trend is different cakes and pies coated with edible gold. They look very expensive and elegant coated with transfer sheets of edible gold. Even it can be purchased at AliExpress. The sheets are very delicate, stick to your hands, so you need to be careful. Rust is one of the main problems when working with metal. If you don't fight it, it will simply destroy the metal, and then laser cleaning will help you. The principle of the device is the ability of the metal to reflect laser radiation. As a result, the rust layer begins to particularly disappear from the surface. Oh, how I hate tying shoelaces. And I think I'm not the only one. And the Chinese have come up with a brilliant idea to simplify tying shoelaces. The first thing you need to know is that you don't need to tie these shoelaces. Just pull them and wrap them around special rivets that are inserted into the upper holes for lacing. It's certainly not automatic Nike sneakers from Back to the Future, but not bad either. And here is another salvation from the need to tie shoelaces. It turns out that silicone laces of different colors have existed for a long time. You can at least interfere with each other, at least use one color, so there will be an opportunity for experiments. Excellently, this comb is not different from any others. Bristles, pen, everything is as usual. And yet, she has one feature that makes it more functional. It can serve as a kind of universal box. The bag is equipped with a secret hatch where a compartment is hidden, where you can place very small accessories or even money. This is a miniature pocket sealer. it's cheap, but what was my surprise, the thing turned out to be very cool, besides everything and very necessary. For the first week I just soldering and soldering, which I didn't hide in packets. Also, the seams are thin, but very strong. And these are reusable vacuum bags. They help to increase the shelf life of products. First, you need to put what it is needed in the bag, then install the pump in the hole and press the start button, after which the device will remove all air from the bag. This is scissors with a laser designator. In my opinion, a very original idea. I always had problems cutting directly, and you, waiting in the comments. It works as promised, will help in household affairs. It is necessary. These are neon masks, Doomsday. They have 3 modes of illumination: a constant light, slowly flickering, and fast like a gallant. It works on 2 batteries. The plastic doesn't stink. In reality, it looks cooler. I'm very pleased with the order, especially for such a price. Well, as promised, I revealed to you the secret of focus at the beginning of the video. This trick is possible thanks to a special transport stand, and with it the scarf passes unnoticed under the smartphone, but it seems to us that through it. And that's all. Could you repeat it? Write in the comment which product you like the most. Let's discuss it together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want such videos to come out more often. Have a nice day!
Everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Stay on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying on the road, whatever you're about, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, I'm staying alive.